What's going on, man? It's your boy Alvin, and we got some stocks to get you ready for the week ahead, man. We got plenty coming up in this video. But first things first, I need you to hit that subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button. Pretty please hit the thumbs up because I need every subscriber and every thumbs up because I'm trying to go live so we can see plays just like this on Friday that I have preached about. When this happened, I wish I could have went live and showed you every single price movement in action. So I got $2,000 up off of one play, as you seen that in that last video. So I need you guys to hit the subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Today's video, I got some big dog stocks for you. I got some option plays for you. I got some short squeeze plays for you. So we jam packed in this video, baby. And your boy even working on a small Discord that I'm hoping to grow in the future. So let's get into it. As you see, I'm currently sitting at $5,589.11 in my portfolio. I've been waiting on a nice red day. We haven't gotten it yet. I am nowhere near a bear. I'm just waiting for a nice cool down in the market so I can load up on some of these plays. But I got something for you. So first one on my list is ticker symbol DKNY. If we can find that real quick, baby, that's DraftKings. DraftKings currently for the year, it's up 60%. I would consider this one of those big dog stocks. It's heavier weighted. It's not going to drop down to 20 bucks on you. It might not jump up to 120 anytime soon, but it will hold strong. It has some positive weeks, positive months. As you see, it's just growing and growing and growing. So like it's been up ever since it got released. It just keep going and going and going. And right now, coming up, if you didn't know, football starts back on Thursday, baby. So that means gambling really ramps up. We have preseason gambling going on. DraftKings is the specialist in that. So I expect DraftKings has a 52-week high of $74.38. I do expect it to get somewhere up in that $70 range. I'm thinking maybe 65 to about 70, and I'm talking pretty soon, not way off in the distance, but pretty soon. I expect it to get up to about 65 to 70. Keep some of this in your portfolio. The volume is pretty solid. Average is about 13. Friday it finished at about 7 million. That might have been because it was a long weekend. A lot of people don't want to hold too many stocks over the weekend. Now this has 27 analysts and they're saying it's a 67% buy, 33% said hold, and there were 0 clowns that said sell it. So that's a plus right there. Other states are opening up, trying to make money back from last year. And gambling is a great way for them to make that money back. So DraftKings comes in there. They get a share of that cut. DraftKings continues to grow. So keep that on your radar. Next up, I want to show you a stock that you could get some options on, just like I did. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. And it's a short squeeze candidate. I still want to talk about BBIG. BBIG, you could grab you an option for cheap. And I ain't talking about the one I'm sitting on. You go to September 10th and you say, Alvin, why am I getting the option? This is so you can learn. You might be looking at my plays or somebody else and like, I wish I could learn options. So you go all the way out. So right now the share price is $7.68. So you go somewhere to about this $15 call. You drop down, you look at the volume and open interest. Those are the key things when buying an option. Volume is 7,529. Open interest is 4,624. Volume is how many of these were traded or bought. Open interest is how many people are interested in buying them. So that's very important. Besides that, I'll also look at delta and theta. You want that delta to be higher than your theta. And you want your delta to be a pretty high number or pretty decent number. And you always want your theta closer to 0 if possible. This one is pretty close. I still would take it as a gamble, but it's $38. So your max loss here, as you see, is $40. You only lose what you put in, and your gains, baby, unlimited right here. As you see, if it goes up to $19, you're going to make about $370 as it currently sits. And then if it just takes off, unlimited. So BBIG VINCO Ventures is a squeeze play potential. It's been going crazy. It is exactly where I made that $2,000 at on Friday. If you haven't seen that video, check it out, guys. Check it out. Get you some. This is a volume play. Has a lot of volume in here. 128 million, averages 136 million. 52-week highs 1190, and it just got there like last week. Not even a month. It wasn't a month ago. It was like a week ago. It got there. Trust me. So you want to have a little bit of your investments in some of these plays that are high risk, high reward, if you're willing to lose it all. But I am not your financial advisor, so do as you please. But BBIG is on my radar. Another one that's going to be heavily talked about, has a real high chance to take off in the pre-market tomorrow, VIH. Everybody caught word of this. Everybody's unheard of this. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button because I already mentioned it a few days ago. So VPC Impact VIH volume is 15 million. Do you see that average, people? Normally it's 3 million. This, you want to get a little bit of this. You can either get the shares, or check out the options. You go out here. They're going to be updated when the market opens, so they might be a little different. Right now, share price is $11.60 each, but you can go on up here. It looks like you can get you a $15 call for $58. Check out those numbers again. So volume is 16,700. That is crazy. Open interest is about 2,000. Volatility. This is a short squeeze potential, so the volatility is very high. That is risky. That's the risky part of this. But your delta is pretty good compared to the theta. And those are the two things that I judge when buying my options. So this would be a prime candidate for me to buy. And tomorrow I'm looking to load up on some things to swing them, baby. I believe I got 2 day trades. You know how it is with Robinhood. I got 2 day trades coming back, and I'm looking to use them wisely. Now, the next one on my list. So that's 4. I mean, that's 3 right there. BIH, BBIG can go crazy. You got DraftKings. Real quick, I want to talk about some of the EV ones. CHP had a great earnings a few days ago. It jumped up. It took off there. As you see, it was up to about 24.60 at one point. And then it cooled down. That's exactly what you want. You don't want to be this person. Oh, I think it's going to go higher. And it does. And now you're down here. You're right in a prime position to buy this at about $22. If you can get it closer to about $21.50, that would be even better. $21.50, somewhere in there, like about there. But this is a great spot to load up on. It's one of those future plays in the EV sector. The 52-week high on this is $49.48, family. This is a great stock to own. 88% say it's a buy out of the 8 analysts on this particular app, and 12% say hold it. Nobody say sell it. So they're all smart people here. Next up, last but not least, I want to talk about NIO. Now, NIO had some chip shortage news and some FUD into the market, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, but it's holding strong, baby. It's building a case for itself. Now, if this dips below 40, buy it up. I would say buy it up, get you a position in this, and go long, because on the year, it has 52-week highs of $66.99, $67. And then as you see here, it has these moments where it gets going, it building up for its next leg up. So NIO is a big dog in the EV sector. Do not be fooled. China, this is a China stock, and it's a leader in China, and they will push their product just like other countries push their product. So NIO is one of those EV plays that you want to keep in your pocket. Now, remember to check your futures for tomorrow for your plays. Make sure you got your day trade squared away. Make sure you got your buying power up. Invest in yourself. Thank you guys so much. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. I really, really do appreciate it. And I'll see you tomorrow after market. As soon as the market closes, check back with your boy. Unless we reach 1,000, and I'll go live right then. But I appreciate you, family. I'll see you tomorrow. Let's eat.